Hi guys, good morning. As you know that this time in the whole world lockdown is going on. So now we have some tasks to sort out. The problem comes during this lockdown. Now today I am going to take your class chapter 1. Earlier I had given some notes in the PDF format, but today I am giving you again a next notes of chapter 1 in PDF format also and in video classes also. Today again we will study the chapters. Here you can see nutritions in plants. Everybody know about that. Nutrition is necessary for all living beings for survive their life. And plants also come in living things. That's why it is necessary for plants also nutritions for their growth and whatever. But the nutritions in different organism is different way. They take the nutritions in different way. Here primary we study about two types of nutritions: heterotrophic nutritions and autotrophic nutritions. First of all, autotrophic nutritions. By the name of autotrophic nutritions, you can understand it easy way. Autotrophic, that means auto means self, trophic means get, self get, that means there is no help of anyone. Only plants take the nutritions of in this mode. In the autotrophic nutritions, plants do the photosynthesis, or in other words you can say that plants make their food itself by the using of some natural resources, you can say as the raw materials, as like sunlight, hydrogen, water, that is from the soil, resources is from the soil, and carbon dioxide, its resources is atmosphere. Here you can see the equations. At first, the process of photosynthesis for plants: carbon dioxide plus water. Carbon dioxide, resources of carbon dioxide is from atmosphere, okay, and water, the resources is from the soil. Plants take the water through the soil. That's why we always pour the water near the root of plants, and after taking by reactions of these two resources, plants converts these resources into carbohydrates, C6H12 and O6, that is known as food for plants, and release gases during respirations of this food. Everybody know about that. After taking food, the second process all the living organism to respiration. So like that the plants also prepare their food and take the food, that is known as the carbohydrates. After that respire this food and release the gas. This gas is known as oxygen. And everybody know about the importance of oxygens. So guys, now here just we study importance of photosynthesis. What is the importance? The first importance of photosynthesis for plant. Photosynthesis benefits plants to growth and repair on out cell. On out, that means you can say on out is a phrasal verb. You can say this one damage, or that is not able to work next time. So, as earlier in class, I think you know about that. Every living organisms necessary to repair their cell, because every moment our cell became damaged, and whatever we take or intake through the food in aspect of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, all these nutrients helps to repair our cell. Now the second is, it is primary source of food production, plants. For all other living organism in the world, suppose that just you understand through this line, it is a primary source. That means photosynthesis is necessary for all living beings. Suppose that if plant do not do photosynthesis, then think how the plants grow. If plants cannot grow, then from where we get food? So, photosynthesis is necessary for plants, and you can say it is the primary source of energy for the world living beings. Okay, now, so it is a primary source of production for all other living organisms in the world. It mentions third benefits of the photosynthesis. During this photosynthesis, you know that oxygen releases and carbon dioxide absorbed by the plants. So during photosynthesis, the plants maintain the balance between the oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Now, in these chapters, I am giving you some homeworks, and I believe that every students will do this one. First, chlorophyll. Write the definition of chlorophyll, where you observe the chlorophyll and chloroplast also. Parasitic plants. Second, which categories of plant is known as parasitic plants, and third is symbiotic plants. If you study the books carefully, then you can give the reply of these definitions. Of my WhatsApp number is 7654739792. And again, in the last of the class, I request to all over the students, just you try to study and understand the words, and those words, if you feel it is hard, then search it through a dictionary and write in the copy, and try to learn every day 50 to 60 words. Lockdown is creating a problem, but if you are interested in your career, if you are interested in your study, then you have a golden opportunity to prepare your basic knowledge. You having a full time or whole day to prepare yourself. Studies, self studies is the best studies. We are just all the teachers trying to motivate you and try to give the way how to teach the, how to read the book, how to study the book, and how can you understand it yourself. Again, I request all the students, do all the homeworks and learn whatever you are getting through the PDF file or the video classes. Try to understand and listen again and again, and every student just watch the this site, goes through www.jharkhandpublicschool.in and access online classes. And again, the students, you also inform to your near about the student those study in Jharkhand Public School. Either in which class, it is not a matter. You inform that online classes is going on through Jharkhand Public School, so you can register and give the guideline how to register the students. And again, I will appear in front of you to give next classes. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.